Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where you can find simple DIYs and attainable home improvement projects. Recently, we have started making over our media room, and as a part of it, I decided to use limewash for the walls. I want to share all the details here, so let's dive in. I really wish you could see this in person as it is much prettier and the texture is not captured well in camera. This is the limewash paint I got and the color is called Velvet Noir. Limewash is usually made of natural elements and they age beautifully. They add smooth matte finish with velvet-like texture. It usually is applied on exterior walls or on brick-like surfaces, but these days people are using it for interior walls as well. But you need to apply a primer to use it on drywall or any smooth surfaces. As you can see, this paint settles very easily and so it needs to be stirred very thoroughly. You will need a block brush or a stain brush for this. Different brushes might create different textures. You can try out different things and see which one you like the most. As you can see, there is no right way to do this. You can start anywhere on the wall and start painting randomly. Most commonly, people do this crisscross pattern, but you can get creative with this. Best thing about this paint is you can patch up any imperfections at any point and it will all blend in, creating gorgeous texture, unlike the normal paint where you will have to paint the whole wall if you mess it up. As you can see, my little helper wanted to join in the fun as well, and I let her since it's just random strokes. One more thing I want to mention is that this paint dries to a lighter shade and you have to let it dry for at least a few hours to see the exact color that it would give. Most walls, especially the white walls, will need 2 coats since the first coat would still show white color through the bristles. So I achieved the look I wanted after 2 coats. This is how it looked after 1 coat, and I started painting the second coat the next day. Once we are done with the walls, my husband painted the ceiling using a roller with the normal paint with the closest color match we could get from Sherwin-Williams. One quick tip here is that if you have those tape gaps in the edge where ceiling meets the wall, use a foam brush to fill in those gaps. After painting the walls, I painted the outlets as well so that they won't be as distracting. Just dip the foam brush in the paint and lightly dab on the outlets. I found this is an easier way than taking them out, priming and painting. It worked perfectly. Did you notice how the outlets are blended in? I think that the dark color, especially for a media room, is perfect because you want the screen to pop up with less distractions at night when you're watching a movie. I am intentionally not showing the wall where the projector screen will be since my next video will be all about it. You don't want to miss it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos and projects. See you soon.